This is topic BP, blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force excreted by the blood against the walls of the blood vessels. Blood pressure is the force excreted by the blood against the walls and of the blood vessels, and it follows through them. Systolic pressure is the highest degree of the pressure exerted by the blood against the walls of the blood vessels during the ventricular systole, when the left ventricles is forcing the blood in the R2. Diastolic pressure. Diastolic pressure is a lowest pressure that occurs when the heart is in its resting period, just before the contraction of the ventricle. Plus pressure is the difference between the systolic and diastolic pressure, and the represent the volume output of the left ventricle. Hypertension is the condition of the abnormality high BP. Hypotension is the condition and the abnormality low BP, low blood pressure. Factor causing variation in blood pressure. Factor causing variation in the blood pressure. Age. Different type age is blood pressure. Blood pressure is lower in children than in the adult. Blood pressure in lower in the children than in the adult. Pressure gradually increase until after that it accumulated supply. After that it accumulated supply. Sex of the human. There is no difference in blood pressure values between boys and girls until puberty. There is no difference in BP values between boys and the girls until puberty. After that, the families usually have a lower blood pressure. Blood pressure than males of the some age until menopause, when their pressure reading increase over men's. Body will. Blood pressure is the higher in the person with overweight than in the person of the some age with normal weight. Weight reduction usually decrease in the pupil. Blood pressure decrease weight of the pupil. Race. Certain races, example, Negroes will have the higher BP readings than other races. Certain races, example, Negroes will have the higher blood pressure readings than other races. Climate. Pressure norms are the lower in the tropically climates than temperature, and the higher in the polar climates. Time of the day. In all the person, BP is the lowest in the early morning. In all patient, BP is the lower in the early morning, and then races to the peak in the evening, then in decline. Exercise. Muscles exercise will raise the BP. Muscle exercise will raise the blood pressure normal. Pain. Severe pain may cause temporary and the repeat the pain. Severe pain may cause temporary and the marked increase in the blood pressure. Severe pain may cause temporary and the marked increase in the blood pressure. Emotion. Fear, every extremement and the other emotional factor will raise the blood pressure. to greater level BP in the more likely to be the raised in the person who living in the stressful urban environment or the who have folks with constant mental tension than the person leading relax tranquil types pressure. It is the after state that BP in a lower van line down than when slight and standing when the blood pressure in the decreased suddenly on the standing pressure in is the called orthostatics hypotension. Orthostatics hypertension disease condition of the blood pressure. Disease affecting the circulatory system and the kidney may increase the blood pressure. Circulation system and the kidney may increase the blood pressure. Decrease that weaken the heart action may lower the blood pressure. Decrease that weakness the heart action may lower the BP. High blood pressure is a tension, anger, and lower blood pressure, weakness, and high workload. It is the blood pressure, systolic and the diastolic blood pressure. Thank you.